Hi, Brittany. I was looking at your garment. I just wanted to see if I can help you with fitting at all. I was noticing like there's like drag lines there, which just makes me think it's probably too big. Like if we lifted up the garment and pulled it out, those drag lines would probably go away. So there's probably just too much fabric like at the side seam under her armpit. I don't know. So I was trying to simulate it and see if I could get the same effect. This was like one of the notebook samples we did. Obviously, I need to change her neck opening. That's really different than yours, which that's not too big of a deal, I guess. Let me see here. Okay. I probably don't really need to watch me do this, but I can't help myself. I don't know. Anyways, let me simulate. It's like a little closer. We could play around with that. That's not really what's important. It's the side seam thing. So this is what my pattern looks like this. And I think she's like on a size 14 right now, which kind of looks similar to your avatar too. I don't know. But anyways, so I wish I could see your pattern piece, but let's see here. I'm gonna try to edit mine to kind of look like yours. I just feel like yours is just too big out here. I really feel like that's all it is. Probably on both sides, maybe as well as the back too. So I'm doing the opposite of what I think you need to do. I think all you got to do is just bring it in. I don't know. Here, I'm going to simulate and see what that makes her look like. If that gives us those drag lines. Well, I kind of went crazy in the back, but it kind of does. I don't know. Why didn't the front work? That's odd. Did I lock the front? Is the front somehow locked that I don't know? Let me unsimulate and check that out. A little right click. Oh no, she's not locked, so I was able to change the neckline. Okay, maybe she just, yeah, that really didn't do anything for the front, but it did for the back. So what if I even did that to the front more, kind of messed it up more? I'm trying to get the same drape lines that you have, just because if I could figure out how you got your shape, then we could probably figure out how to go back to something more fitted. That's interesting. That's not really happening. It definitely in the back, obviously. Maybe it has something to do with the darts too. Like, what if I moved a dart leg? That might be weird because that's actually going to make it way tighter now that I think about it. So maybe I shouldn't have done that. Command Z, Command Z, Command Z. There we are. There we go. I'll bring the darts in because that'll give it more fabric. Yeah, that is giving it some more drape here. So maybe it's opening up your darts wider. Let's see here. What if I know this is like all shape. I'm just going to get rid of those little points. Because I'm not sure what your darts look like. Let's simulate this guy. So, I mean, it's obviously just too big. So I think if you were to like probably make your darts open more, and then, because I think you were okay with your waist, like you didn't want to change the waist seam. So like I would leave this line if you didn't want to change. Oh, but I guess when you change your darts, it does kind of change. So never mind. But then bringing in the top of the side seams. I don't know. I'm kind of just playing around, and that's what's kind of fun with clothes. Like you can make some changes and then hit simulate and see if that's the look that you want or not. Obviously, this is still too big. Bring that back in. So anyways, I just wanted to encourage you to do that. Oopsies. And I'm excited to see how it comes out because you're so close to a good fit. So I just really want to help you get all the way there is all. Okay, I will talk to you later.